Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Yeah.
Could you explain subordination again?
Explain subordination again.
Subordination, that it is simple. You are subordinate. You don't understand what is subordination? Is it very difficult? Are you not subordinate to somebody?
Well, yeah, I suppose you could say.
Yes. You must. Everyone. Everyone must be subordinate in subordination.
In a spiritual sense, though, I don't feel subordinate to it.
First of all, you understand what is spiritual life. Then, in the spiritual sense also, you are subordinate. Because your nature is subordinate. Spiritual, what do you mean by spiritual and material?
Well, like, my body is in a particular place, all the time, all the task. And if I have a job, then I'm subordinate to my boss. But my whole being, my real being, my inner being I don't think that I am subordinate to my boss. I think that we would be more or less equal.
Yeah. This consciousness is very nice. That you are feeling dissatisfaction being subordinate to your boss. Is that right?
No, that's not right.
Then?
I don't especially.
Anyone?
I don't think that, well, speaking about the specific incident, it isn't necessarily true that I wouldn't want, or that I would feel jealous of this guy because he was over me. But I just feel that as beings, we are more or less all equal. It's kind of a philosophy that I have. I don't feel that I have to bow down to anybody. I don't feel
Why?
that anybody should bow down to me.
Why? You do not bow down. Why?
Because I don't feel that I owe him anything or he owes me.
So that is the disease. We are forced to bow down. And we think that I don't like to bow down. This is the disease.
He didn't force me to bow down.
Yes.
He isn't forcing me to do anything. I'm just kind of there.
No, that's try to understand. It is a very nice question. You say that I do not want to bow down. Is it not?
That's basically true.
Yes. Why?
Because I don't feel like I'm inferior to.
That is the disease. You have diagnosed your own disease. That is the disease of materialism. Everyone is thinking that I want to be master. I don't wish to bow down myself. Everyone is thinking, not only yours. Just let me finish this. This is the disease, material disease. First of all, try to understand. It is not your disease or my disease. Everyone's disease is there. That why shall I bow down? Why shall I become subordinate? But nature is forcing me to become subordinate. Now, who wants to meet death? Why people are dying? Can you answer this?
Why are people dying?
Yes. Nobody wants to die.
I thought it was
Just try to understand.
biological.
Who is here that means biological force. You are subordinate to biology. Then why do you say that you are independent?
Well, I feel that I'm
You are feeling wrongly. That is my point. That is your disease.
thinking
Yes, wrongly.
wrongly.
Yes. You are subordinate. You must have to bow down. When death is there, you cannot say, oh, I don't obey you. Therefore you are subordinate.
I am subordinate to God, yes.
No, don't forget God.
Okay.
Just now we are speaking common sense.
Krishna, I don't.
No, don't speak of Krishna. That is far away. You just try to understand that you do not want to die. Why you are forced to die?
Why am I?
Yes, because you are subordinate.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Then you understand your position, that you are subordinate. You cannot declare that I am free, I am not subordinate. If you are wishing that I don't wish to be subordinate, don't wish to bow down, that is your disease.
What do you want me to? I mean, what?
So first of all, try to understand your disease, then we shall diagnose your medicine.
I'm feeling wrong, okay,
Yes.
but who do I, or what exactly do I bow down to? I mean,
You are bowed down to everyone. You are bowed down to death. You are bowed down to disease. You are bowed down to old age. You are bowed down to so many things. You are forced. And still you are thinking that I cannot bow down. I don't die. Because you are saying I don't die, therefore you are being forced. You have to bow down. Why you forget your position? That is all it is. Therefore, the next process is that I am being forced to bow down. Now you have to find out where I shall be happy even by bowing down. That is the Your bowing down will not be stopped because you are meant for that. But if you bow down to Krishna and Krishna's representative, you become happy. That's it. You have to bow down. If you don't bow down to Krishna and his representative, then you will be forced to bow down something else, Maya. That is your position. You cannot be free at any moment, but you will be free, just like a child is 24 hours bowing down to his parents. He is happy. He is happy. Mother says, my dear child, please come down, sit down. Yeah? Yes. He is happy. This is the nature. Simply you have to seek out where you have to bow down. That's all. That is Krishna. You cannot stop your bowing down. But you have to see where you have to bow down. That's it. If you artificially think that I am not going to bow down anyone, I am independent, then you suffer. Simply you have to seek out the proper place where you have to bow down. That's it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.